Alright guys, so today's video we're gonna fix this the passenger rear diffuser that I actually broke in our 2600 Prelude. This is totally my fault, but it's okay, we're gonna fix it right now. Before we head down to Spokane, LA tomorrow. Let's get it. Alright, so quick story of what happened. So you guys can see right here, a broken rear diffuser for the passenger side. This is actually my fault because I was heading off to work and I scraped it very bad, if that makes sense. It was my fault. It was a driver error. Today, we were also able to get this painted, furbished from Hanson Auto Body down in Burlingame, California. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen them in the past videos. And today, we're going to install this, and we're going to get rid of this broken piece one. So not only we just scraped the shit out of this, but we also burnt this. So this is only a test fit, and the exhaust is literally right here. So I'm assuming it got too hot and it melted down this area of this rear diffuser. But take this out now. This is our newer one. Yep, got that paint right there to the inside. So again, this is our material, is mostly just for testing. We hope this time it doesn't burn, since we have like we have 500 to 600 miles of driving. So hopefully it doesn't go bad or anything. Long ass day for us. I mean, that should have been like a really easy job by Johnson. My first time doing that shit. Now we have the PLN 2026 side skirts here. We paint match it with Boost Blue, and we have the driver's side, and we also have the passenger side. I do believe this is the driver's side. Oh no, passenger side. Yeah, this is the passenger side. This is in-house engineered, guys, and shout out to Mason for getting this done. This is probably like a 2-3 months project, maybe, or something.
That's it.
And then
you just self-tap the screw here, here,
yeah.
and back here. And you just copy and paste every egg, every
Show on the outside. Woo!
nip up.
It's good. Wow, it looks good. Wow, dude, that thing was good. Sheesh. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. Well, we'll show you guys that once we get this finished. But dude, this thing is gonna look so good before it's spoke on, bro. Is that because of the new car?
Yeah.
The only thing we're missing right now is the wing, guys. All right, it's time for us to start packing for Spokane, LA, here at PLN. Let's get into this. This is a good one. Woo! Ready?